When you deal with cottered cranks, there are a number of mistakes you can make. Actually, there are a lot of mistakes you can make. And in this video, I want to point some of them out so you won't make them. So as you can see, I removed the knot on this cotter pin and the washer. And what you will see me doing next is actually returning the screw, because in this case I'm going to use a hammer to get the pin out. I have done this before, so I'll know it'll work. And adding the screw back on gives me a greater surface for the hammer. Next up is I'm going to support the crank, because if you don't do that, all of the force from the hammer will be directly onto the bearings, and you might damage them. That's not something you want to do, especially not for this bike. It's 45 years old. I'm using this block of wood because using a hammer on the nut is just as stupid as not supporting it. And with just 2 taps, you can see the nut going down and the pin getting loose. I will give it another tap, and because it was so easily, I knew it was loose. And the last thing you want to do then is use something to get it out. A finger is not enough. The last tap with the hammer did the trick. An Allen wrench did the rest. So if you like this short video about removing cotter pins, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Enjoy your bikes, enjoy your restoration projects, and I'll see you on the next video.